Hi, next video gives the information about how to enter voucher entry in Tally. What is voucher? Voucher is a basic document of a transaction. It contains the details of transactions. These details is required for recording the same into books of accounts. We can use predefined Tally voucher to enter the voucher details into ledgers. Tally provides predefined vouchers. We can select the appropriate one on the basis of our nature of transaction. To enter the voucher details into ledgers, then it updates to daybook, ledgers, account books, and the financial statement of our company and the statutory report and so on. We can use single entry system or double entry system. Already default is the double entry mode in Tally. First we select the accounting vouchers from the gateway of Tally transaction section. Okay, enter. Then we get new window, that is the account voucher creation window. This window display the first part, debit account details, types of contra number, current date of inputting. Next part, the area of credit side, credit account side, the amount field, narration area, then key buttons area, help key buttons area display there. We want the payment voucher, use the F5 button or payment click, or F6 voucher or receipt click. Receipt voucher. First, contra voucher. F4 press to contra voucher. Contra voucher is used to enter the fund transferable entries. That is fund from company to bank, bank to company, or other company's bank to bank. That is cash deposited into bank, withdraw from bank, transfer fund from company's own bank account to another bank account. These entries enter in contra voucher. Now we deposit 5,000 rupees into bank. Then space bar to get the list of account. Bank account SBI Pala account select. Then bank account debtor. That means the bank account debtor to cash. By space bar cash account credit. Then 5,000 input. Enter to deposit. Cash deposit balance of cash balance. Enter. Okay, 5,000 closed. That is the input screen. Check payment data, enter check details. Other cash modules. So in denomination of cash. $5,000. Okay, denomination 10. That gives the narration part. Cash deposited in bank, that is the narration part. Enter. Then enter to accept yes or no. That is the save yes button or control A to accept the inputting entry. Okay, save the contra voucher. You remember fund transferable entries only input in contra voucher. Next one, F5 payment voucher. This voucher allows to input only the payments of company. Payments to outsiders, that is paid to creditors, sundry creditors, paid salary, paid wages, paid commission, or paid any other parts to payment, check payment, cash payment, GPay payment, all payment mode input there. Next one, F6 receipt mode. Receipt voucher used to accept all receipt of the company. Cash receipt, check receipt, GPay receipt, net banking receipt, other mode, bank through bank receipt mode. All receipt entered into receipt voucher. Okay. Next import two keys, you use the F12 and F11. Press F11. F11 to company operation alteration window from voucher entry screen. Voucher entry screen F12 features provide more option settings to for your vouchers. Regarding general accounting vouchers, invoicing details, invoice, purchase invoice, sales invoice are related to invoice details more when needed. Outstanding management, cost management, budgetary management as on. We can next video provided, that is the con features alteration window. This window study more on next video display this option more information here. Next F12 configuration window. Then this F12, press F12 to get the voucher configuration. You use any voucher, Contra voucher, we get the Contra configuration related to Contra voucher. More information needed, the logical option here display, receipt voucher, receipt configuration. You use the payment voucher, then get the payment configuration. When you use F12 from which voucher, then get the related that vouchers more settings. Okay, clear? Or have any doubt? Use the commentary box. Okay, thank you. Next, more information in next class, video class. Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe, support me. Okay, bye.